everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reopen a closed Discord DM without adding someone as a friend. So have you ever chat with someone on Discord who is in the same server as you, but you didn't add them as a friend, and then next you accidentally closed DMs and thought your chat history was gone? Don't panic, you can still reopen the conversations without losing your previous messages. So here's how, it's very simple. First, just open the Discord and go to your DM list. And for example, in here I want to close this DM, this one that in here I'm not mutual with this contact and I want to close this DM. Just tap on the close icon, and then in here to reopen the DM, the close DM, just tap on find or start conversations, this one, and then in here just simply type the person username or display name like this. Like this, you can see it, and their accounts should appear in the search result, and then just tap on these profiles, and just like that you can see it, you can open the DM again and your previous chat history will still be there like this. So you don't have to start a new conversations on here, but in here there's one important thing to remember. This is much easier if you and that persons are members of the same Discord server. So if you don't want to add each other as friends, make sure you are at least in the same server. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to find a closed Discord DM without losing your chat history, even if the person not on your friend list. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.